I'm Simone Rusconi, a postdoctoral fellow at the Basque Center for Applied Mathematics, and in this video, I'm summarizing my doctoral thesis, Probabilistic Modeling of Classical and Quantum Systems, that has been supervised by Elena Tmaskaya and Dmitry Sokolovsky. In this thesis, we addressed open questions and unresolved issues belonging to polymer science and quantum theory. First of all, we consider control-radical polymerization being a chemical reaction for production of polymer chains. We were able to show that memoryless model cannot predict some experimental evidence, and thus control-radical polymerization should be treated as a non-Markovian process with introduction of delays. Then we addressed the morphology of multiphase polymers particles, whose prediction is a challenging task, mostly based on heuristic knowledge. We were able to model the morphology of interest by means of integral differential equations known as PV. We derive a conceptually new methodology for solution of such PV we call Laplace-induced splitting method, because it consists in a splitting methodology that takes advantage of analytical solutions derived with the usage of the Laplace transfer function. Finally, we consider continuous fuzzy measurements performed on quantum systems and the theory by Minsky on such measurements. The theory by Minsky has been viewed as a universal approach for measurements performed on quantum systems. We are able to show that the information can be extracted from the measurements by means of a random walk instead of the direct inspection of the meter outcomes as predicted by the Minsky theory. In conclusion, the methodologies developed in this thesis were inspired by particular application and unresolved issues. However, they are general enough to successfully address complex chemical and physical processes.